Yeah, y'all see I tried with the edges. I like them until I start sweating and they just snap up. Forget a curl up, they nap up. But when they like this, super cute. So if you're looking for any type of attention, get you some long braids with some beads, girl. All the eyes will be on you, okay? But y'all, these long braids took me about 7 hours start to finish, and then I used 2 packs of the braiding hair that I'm going to show you. I'm in love with like my parting in the front. Or you can pull it up or pull it down, whatever. Go to the side. So I have 2 packs of braiding hair. They have 3 bundles each, 60 inches. It's by Spectrum. Some beads, edge control, and some fake Versace shades. Green tea. Y'all go shop my bonnet. www.simplycloud9.com. Alright, so I'm going to do triangle parts for this. Okay, yeah, like that. Alright, you guys, so I did complete 2 in the back. Now I'm going to show you how I do one first, and then I'll come back to kind of explain it. Alright, 3 done so far. Super duper long. Alright, so each bundle I'm sectioning out for 3 braids. So take this one, I'm gonna split it into 3 really quick. This is for the braid and this is to make it longer, and then I even split this up 2 times. So now I take some edge control, I put that all around the perimeter. Then I'm using this leave-in conditioner, just getting my ends more so. And then I take some of my whipped hair butter, seal it all up. Then I go in with a little bit more edge control to keep my ends kind of together. Since I'm doing the rubber band method without a crochet hook, I am sectioning my hair off in the middle. Then I take my big piece of hair, put that in between. Do a ponytail. That way the hair is already in between it, and this method also helps if you're not that good of a braider. Alright, so now I'll just plait. Okay, right here I'm wrapping the hair around my finger so that I can like grip it tighter. So in order to get it tight, I like to like twirl my finger around the hair until I feel like I have it really tight at the root, and then I'll proceed to braid, and that way your braid will look neater, tighter, and also last longer. Alright, so I'm going to keep braiding down until I'm about halfway through this braid, and then I will add my second piece of hair, and then I add my last piece of hair, and that's how I get it to be knee length. Alright, so about here, going with the second piece of hair, I put it right underneath. Can't even tell where I added it. Now, so take my comb and just do that so it's not really a gap. And take some I got to be glued holding spray and put it just on the roots. If you have a different hair type, that part is probably not necessary for you, but it's very necessary for me. Okay, so now for the last one, I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Edge control all the way around, comb that out. Okay, now just open this up. I'm gonna do it at an angle here. The edge control in between here, just to keep it really neat. In the back, I really didn't worry about that. Take my hair, put that in between, and then under my chin. And now the rubber band. You don't want yours that tight, don't do it that tight, but I need mine tight at the beginning. See? And now take my leave-in conditioner, take some hair butter. Now take some edge control. So in the front, I pretty much add in more and smaller pieces. Now I have my 3 pieces, so I'm gonna start plaiting down and just adding hair as I get down. All right, now add in another piece of hair from the back, and I'm taking my time right here because my hair is right here. Try to make sure it's always wrapped around a piece of hair. Now I'm going to add in about 2 more pieces, and then to make it really long, I just slide it over again to the end. Put that in there. Hold and spray all over since I'm done now. See, that looks really good. Now for my beads. See here, I have 6 per braid. Take 1 bead to the end, fold it over, add a rubber band. Then I cut off the extra loose hair, and ta-da. Alright, so for my edges, I'm just going to flat iron them and then try to swoop them. Like, I've only done this method with my wigs, so I'm gonna just do it and then you guys will just see. Okay, so this is pretty much like an update to these braids. I've had these braids in now for about 8 days, might be 9 days. I think 8 days now, and they're still holding up. I can definitely keep them in longer, but I think I'm ready to switch my hair up. They're just so long, and the beads, they're just a little annoying. It ain't no kids around here, and just hearing this all day, I'm over it. Like when I'm at the house, pretty much like all day at the house, I'll just keep my bonnet on because I don't feel like hearing it. And then yesterday when I went to the store and just walking throughout the mall hearing this and people turning like, what is that? And it's me with these long braids. So if you're looking for any type of attention, get you some long braids with some beads, girl. All the eyes will be on you, okay? Y'all still can't see the end of the braids. Yeah, y'all see I tried with the edges. I like them until I start sweating and they just snap up. Forget a curl up, they nap up. But when they like this, super cute. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other braid styles you would like to see, and I'll get that out to you. Peace.